Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually getting ready to go to the grocery store. Not that I get ready for the grocery store, but I just wanted to look a little more put together because honestly, it's like 3 p.m. right now and I've just been editing all day and just literally in my PJs all day, and I just need a little pick-me-up. So that's what I'm doing right now. I just put on like my moisturizer and my primer and everything. I'm just gonna get ready really quickly. Okay, so I'm basically done getting ready. I just wanted to show you guys this lip balm, which I got as like a sample from my Valentine's Day gift, which was a perfume from Lancome. It's a lip balm, but oh my god, I'm so obsessed with it. It's so subtle. It doesn't really, it looks like lip gloss, but it doesn't feel like lip gloss. It feels like a lip balm. So I'm obsessed with this. I've been using it non-stop. And we're ready for Trader Joe's. Okay, I'm walking to the car. It is so cold today, you guys. It's freezing. And all I'm wearing is this sweater. I'm on my way to Trader Joe's. I love going to Trader Joe's because it like inspires me to cook different things. And yeah, there you are. Oh my god, and of course the parking lot is packed. I should have known. I'm just gonna park all the way at the end. Alright, let's keep it moving. Okay, you guys, Trader Joe's was insanely busy. Like, people were just going nuts today. I don't know what's happening today. Everyone's just crazy and going mad about everything. But today, oh my god, I'm telling you, like, carts were bumping into each other. You know, oh my god, it was just crazy. I'm so happy I'm out of there. And now I'm on my way back home. I'm a little hungry. This is a white cheddar puff corn. Oh my god, it's so good. But does anyone else do this when they get hungry after grocery shopping? Because I always do this and I just eat on my way home. I hate red lights so much. So much. Alright, so I just got back from Trader Joe's. I have all the bags up here on my counter and I have you sitting right in front of me. I had to bring out my ring light because it is so dark in my house and it was just not cute. So, ring light is out and grocery haul. Let's keep it moving. So these are turkey meatballs. They are already cooked. You just basically warm them up. I would never buy meatballs. Like, I'm not a meatball person. But when I was there, they had them as a sample and I tried it. I was like, what? That is so good. So I'm probably gonna make this week with some spaghetti and marinara sauce. So yeah, I just figured I would share this. It's the turkey meatballs, fully cooked from Trader Joe's. They're really, really, really good. Okay. Next, I wouldn't ever buy this either typically because I don't like to buy pre-cooked things. But I haven't had time to take like an hour and a half cooking. Like, I'd rather do something else. So this kind of helps me cook, especially after a day of work. Like, if I'm working for 9 hours a day and I come back home, the last thing I want to do is cook like a full-on meal. So this kind of helps me where it'll only take me like 10-15 minutes and then we'll have something to eat. So this I'm using today. It's breaded chicken breasts and they're fully cooked. You just have to warm them up. And this is what I'm using for my chicken parm stuffed peppers, and I got 2 of them because I'm like, I might use this again. Just want to talk about these before I have to put them in the freezer because they're melting. But these are dairy-free mochi balls, strawberry and the matcha flavor. Those are our favorites. They're vegan, 0 trans fat, made with freshly squeezed coconut milk, and they're gluten-free. So we love these, but definitely before you eat it, let it melt a little bit and then eat it, and it tastes really good. At night, after we've had our snacks and stuff and I'm craving something sweet, I always like to have fruits out on the table. Mainly berries. We love berries, so blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, and these are all organic, and I buy these every week, and usually they... So we also got some cucumbers. These are the only cucumbers I'll eat. My husband hates cucumbers, so I have to get a small batch like this. Otherwise, they'll just go bad. We got some avocados. I already have some, but I'm like, I know I'm gonna run out. Got some apples. We love apples, especially these mini ones. They're so yummy. Lemons, because as you can see, we're out. Oh my god, that fruit basket looks so sad. I'm gonna fill it up right now, but lemons are like the most essential thing in our household because we literally use them every single day, especially for my lemon water, and I cook with lemon all the time. So this I always have to buy. It's like the #1 thing we're always out of is lemon. Okay, next is this salsa. If you haven't tried this salsa from Trader Joe's, you're missing out. This salsa is so good. We're not even out of the one we have right now. We have like a little bit left, but I'm like, just in case, I want to have it when I need it. But the only thing with this is that it's unsalted, so I always have to add my own salt to it, which is kind of a good thing because you can just add as much salt as you would like instead of getting a completely salted salsa and it being so bad for you. But this, it's amazing, you guys. It's so good. Okay, so next thing is greens. We love greens in the house. I try to use greens with almost everything that I cook. Even if I'll just put, like, even if I'm making pasta, I'll put greens in the pasta where you won't really taste it, but it's in there, you know, it just sneaks through. Zucchini is my favorite vegetable. I know it's so random, but it's so good. If you haven't tried zucchini like cooked or glazed or anything like that, you're totally missing out. We have some mixed greens here. We have baby kale, baby chard, and baby spinach. I like packages like this from Trader Joe's because if I get like the big packages, like if we go to Costco or any other grocery store and I get like something big, it goes bad really quickly. So I like these packages because we're only 2 people and this just works. Arugula is another favorite. I love arugula, especially like a bed of arugula and like an egg on top for breakfast. It's so ideal for me. I like to use this for avocado toast. Any salad, I'll put arugula in it. Even if we make like labneh and za'atar sandwiches. So I'll make like labneh, za'atar, zayt, banadura, khiyar. I'll put some arugula in there. Woo, it's so good. So good. This is what I like to drink, iced or hot depending on how I'm feeling, but I'll put lemon and honey in my cup, and this is so good. We love like matcha green tea iced with boba. That's like our favorite drink when we go out. Not go out like at night, but like go out during the day, like for lunch or whatever. We love it. So last night I was like, oh my god, I'm craving that so badly. Like I wanted it so bad, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy matcha. So I bought the matcha green tea latte mix, and I don't have the whiskey thing, but I'm like, I'll just use my own, like the regular one, and see if that works. But oh my god, I can't wait to have this. I'm gonna have it today actually, and I like it hot or cold. It just doesn't matter, but if it's hot, I like to have it with my almond milk. Oh my god, it's so good. I can't wait to have this. I'm like so excited to have this tonight. Alright, so I got my peppers washed and ready, some parsley, garlic. This is the mozzarella that I'm using in the mixture, but I'm also adding some on top of the bell peppers when they're done. I have some black pepper, sweet pepper, salt, marinara, and cayenne pepper. I don't know if I'll add anything else, but I'll let you guys know if I do. So let's go ahead and do this. Look at how gorgeous that looks. I'm so obsessed with the color, but I just wanted to show you guys the mixture. This is how it looks all together. I think I'm gonna add some more spices to it just to make it more flavorful. But I do have my chicken in the oven right now. You can kind of see it. And then once that's done, I'll just cut up the chicken and put it in the mixture and then put everything in the bell peppers and we'll pop them in the oven. Make a side dish as well. This is just some chopped up zucchini. I have some olive oil, Parmesan cheese, black pepper. I'm gonna add some salt, some cayenne just to spice things up a little bit, and some lemon pepper. I get this at Costco. Just gonna add some more olive oil to that. Okay, so I've added the breaded chicken to the mixture. I also ended up adding a little bit more marinara sauce, and I also added some pomegranate paste to my zucchini. And now we're gonna begin stuffing our peppers, but before that I need to get a pan. I just want to show you guys how it looks so far. It's not cooked yet. Obviously, when it's cooked, it's going to look much better. But that's the chicken broth. You can also use vegetable broth if you like that. It just helps the peppers kind of cook in like a steamed way. Before I put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 55 minutes to an hour, I'm going to cover it up with foil so that they cook even better as well. Alright, so while the food is cooking in the oven, I'm gonna have a very late lunch. I have this quinoa, kale salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, avocado, kale, cabbage, and I just used one of the chickens that I made for topping for my salad because I'm really hungry and I needed something that's gonna fill me up. I'm gonna edit. I'm watching Grey's Anatomy right now, you guys. I know I'm super late. I don't know why I never watched Grey's Anatomy before, but now I think I'm on like season 8, and I'm so obsessed with this show, you guys. I'm so glad I started watching it. So I literally watch it while I'm cooking, in the car sometimes, when I'm doing stuff like this. I'll always have it in the background because I just love the show. And I know I'm super late, I know, but I'm really enjoying it. I also got my lemon water right here, and I'm gonna start editing, and yeah. Alright, I got the cheese on top and now it's ready to broil. Some of the cheese fell into the broth, but that's fine. I really think I should apologize for my oily skin right now. I don't know what is going on. I didn't set my makeup today, so that's probably why. And I've been cooking with the heat and stuff, so excuse my greasy mess. The peppers are broiling. I also added the zucchini in the oven, so it's heating up. And all I have left to do is the breadsticks, which I'll do like a little bit before we're about to eat. So this is the finished result. This is how it looks. I wish you guys could smell it because literally, it is to die for. It smells amazing. I haven't even tried it yet, but I know it's gonna be so yummy. Guess who just got home? My baby. Jag tycker det är fel. Ow! Alright guys, so dinner is served. I got the bell pepper, zucchini, and the bread. And there's my baby. You're eating the bread with a fork?
Yeah, I'm trying to be classy.
Yum, I'm so excited. Alright, so we had our dinner. It was so good. It was amazing, actually. I cleaned up the kitchen. We hung out for a bit. And now we are heading out. We're going to my parents' house. We're going to hang out with them tonight, smoke hookah, and just have a good time. If this is the end of the vlog, then thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you like these videos, then I can do more vlogs for you guys down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!